Magnetic tin can washing machine for empty cans. Automatic cleaning system designed for empty tin cans. Magnetic transmission ensures stable and efficient operation. Removes dust and impurities before filling process. High-speed industrial washing system for can preparation. Ensures clean and safe containers for food, packaging production lines. Stable performance with automatic continuous operation. Widely used in food, beverage, and powder packaging industries. Essential equipment before filling and sealing processes. Complete empty can cleaning solution for modern factories. Contact us for full automatic packaging line solutions.